Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about a comedian who will be introducing himself to you. His name is Modero. The transcript of this lesson can be found in the description. The next lesson will be uploaded on or before the 1st of October. Action. Kombo nanga Modero. My name is Modero. Naza comédien na mboka oyo. I am a comedian in this country. Na jouaka mingi ba role ya kolia. I often play roles where I am eating. Role nanga ya liboso ya kolia. My first role where I was eating Ezalaka na troisième film ngai was on my third film. Banda film wana, since that film, producteur koma pesa kaka, producers give me only role ya kolia. Roles where I am eating. Likambo te, no problem. Na lingaka nanga pe kolia. I also love to eat. Kasi, epayi na monaka mabe, but the point where I don't like Ezali po na yebaka te is because I don't know tina nini bato sepelaka ngai. Why people like me? Est-ce sepelaka ngai pona ndenge na liaka to pona quantité ya biloko oyo na liaka? Do they like me because of the way I eat or because of the quantity of the food that I eat? Thank you so much. The next lesson will be uploaded on or before the 1st of October.